You see, the distance between the intellect and the heart is extremely short, but it is the most difficult distance to bridge together. The most difficult distance to bridge together between the intellect and the heart. Why? Because intellect speaks the language of logic. The heart speaks the language of feelings and emotions. Logic is the intellect, the heart is feelings and emotions. I'll put it in a very simple way. We drive cars. We'll take that the heart is the engine, is the motor of that car. The intellect is the brakes in that car. You see, let's say you take the brakes out of the car. Can you drive it? No, even if you have a V8, mate. The HSV, the good old days with the barbecue at the front bonnet. No matter how powerful the engine is, you take the brakes out, you cannot drive the car without brakes, definitely you'll have an accident. You put the best brakes in the car and you take the motor out, you can't drive. You see, the engine pushes, the brake stops. The heart pushes, but the intellect hits on the brakes. When you, as a girl or as a boy, meet a girl and you meet a guy, what happened? The first thing happens, the heart ticks. See that the motor is turned on. Whoa, whoa, who was that? Oh, definitely that was a V12, mate. So when you see her, you say, I'm a V24. I'm a Formula One now. The engine revs to the red and wants to fly. After marriage, you hit on the brakes and you say, what have I done to myself? When the engine goes, that's your feelings and emotions. You see, when the heart ticks, you have no control any longer. The brain is definitely idle. If you just walk with your heart without your intellect, very dangerous. An engine without brakes, you'll make an accident. And if you use your head all the time with no feelings and emotions along the way, you can't get anywhere. You'll always say, shall I? Shall I not? What if? You'll make everything pitch black. It's like that young man went to the priest, seeking the priest's advice. He said, Father, I have known this girl for 4 years now, and I came to ask you, shall I marry her or not? The father kicked him so hard outside of the place. Why? He said, if you've been with her 4 years, why are you asking me? Am I marrying her or you? Use your head and get on with your life. But you see, he's been hitting on the brakes. I don't know. If you use your head all the time, you'll always be stopping all the time. You are not progressing. You're not going forward because there is that element of what if, fear. But when it's the heart only, you're blind. My daughter, this guy is not for you. Don't marry him. Mom, Dad, you have no idea what you're saying. You don't know nothing. I know everything. But my daughter, trust us. We are using our head. We're looking at him. He looks kind of dangerous. He's not for you. The daughter is driving with no brakes. When suspicion comes in, Thomas resembles suspicion. Faith is driven out. When faith is driven out, it is impossible to bring the intellect and the heart into unity. Impossible. So what will happen in that person when suspicion enters any one of us? We struggle. There is a war, there is a battlefield inside of us. There is a war happening. I am unsettled. I can't decide on nothing. I don't know where my head is and my feet are. I don't know what direction, where to go, who to see. I have no idea. I'm lost. I'm confused. There is a very difficult battle happening inside of me, and I am lost. Father, please help me. Well, you see, because you've allowed suspicion come in. Why do you have doubts in me, I, Jesus Christ of Nazareth? Haven't I said to you, apostles, I will be handed over to the authorities and the high priest. They will sentence me to death. I will be crucified. I'll be buried, but I will rise from the dead on the third day. Did I or did I not say this to you? I was only 3 days ago. How easy do you forget? How quickly do you forget? Oh Lord, you know why? It's not that we forgot, but we found ourselves in a very stressful time. We found ourselves in a very difficult situation. We lost it. You see, Simon Peter and all of the apostles, all together equally, they were ordinary people like everyone else, meaning they knew their life's routine day in, day out. Simon, he knew exactly what to do every day. He would get up early in the morning, go and prepare the nets, take the boat to the sea and cast and catch fish, sell some and buy food and cook some, eat, come back home, say hello honey, hello my children, because he was married, right? So that was his routine life. He was known to live this way. This is all he knew. Out of nowhere, suddenly, this person appears in his life and the other disciples. This person is called Jesus Christ of Nazareth. All glory to his holy name. He comes to Simon, he said, you are a fisherman, I'm gonna make you a fisher of men. You catch fish, I'm gonna teach you on how to catch men for the kingdom of God. So he follows Jesus Christ of Nazareth. When he follows Jesus Christ, his life in its entirety changes. In its totality changes, including his name changes from Simon to Peter. He became a totally different person. Why? Because when you give your life to Christ, Christ is known to change you wholeheartedly. And if Christ doesn't change you, then he is not God. Because it takes God to change the heart of men. It takes God. That's why, what is the ultimate miracle God does in every human's life? Not raising him from the dead, no, changing their hearts. You see, Lazarus, who was dead for 4 days and rotted in the grave, the Lord raised him from the dead. This, to some, may say it's the ultimate miracle anyone could do in their life, raising the dead. But my dear friend, did you know that Lazarus, whom Christ raised from the dead in Bethany, Israel, he's got another grave in Cyprus, Lanica? He's got another grave. So the Lazarus who was raised by Jesus Christ himself died again. But when the Lord changed Lazarus' heart, Lazarus lives forever, never dies. When the heart is changed, you live forever. So the Lord changed the disciples' lives altogether. They got used to him 1 month, 1 year, 2, 3 years and 4 months. 3 years and 4 months, they got used to him. Now they said, okay, we've hit the jackpot. We found the Messiah. Man, the Messiah gives us everything. We're going to live like kings as long as we're with him. We say we're hungry, he gives us food. We're thirsty, he gives us water. He does wonders, miracles, raises the dead. No one can touch us. He is God revealed in the flesh. He will save us, protect us from anything and everything, including spiritual realm and physical realm put together. That's it. We don't need anything else once we found the Messiah. As they were contemplating on this, The Messiah is crucified. The Messiah is put into the tomb. The Messiah is dead. You know what? They got the biggest shock of their entire life, from hero to zero, just like that. Simon got up the following day. He was used to seeing the Lord. He would run to him every morning. Good morning, Lord. And bowing before him, kissing his feet, and the Lord hugging him, kissing him, and then spoiling him. He was used to this. He was used to the Lord every single day of his life. He said, I am changed. When Jesus died before their eyes and placed in the tomb in the flesh, now Simon became neither Simon nor Peter. He said, if I go back to the old Simon, I cannot. He changed me. This Jesus came, chose me, changed me, and left me. He destroyed me. To go back to the old Simon, the married man with wife and children and catching fish, I can't go back, because when Jesus changes you, you can't go back to that old person. That old person is dead. It's dead. Now to be Peter, Peter cannot be Peter unless he is with Christ. Because the one who made me Peter was Christ. But Christ is gone, I can't see him. I can't be now neither Peter nor Simon. So what do? I'm gonna call the other miserable disciples like me. Guys, let's go fishing, hoping a wave will come and take us down under. We wanna die. Disappointment leads to suicidal attempts. Disappointment. They got disappointed in Jesus for a moment. So they went to die, not to fish. What fishing? I'm destroyed. What fishing? You know, when you hit rock bottom, would you go out and have fun? No, you want to go and revenge. Some people take it on themselves. Some people take it on others. They're revenging out of frustration, anger, disappointment. All night long. But the Lord won't leave him. In the morning, he was standing there. You see, when all of us, when we go through hard times, and we get to a stage we are about to lose it, like totally give up, losing hope, before you give up on the last breath, Christ will embrace you and revive you, bring you alive. He will renew you as if nothing's happened, without a scratch, without a blemish. Just like they were giving up, they want to die, Christ appeared. You know what he called them? Children. Oh, little kids. Oh Lord, they're grown-ups. This guy's married. He's older than you in age. He said, yeah, but they're acting like kids. So they are little kids, very childish, just like the world. You're not laughing? Okay. What are you doing? Have you got any fish? No, of course you're not going to catch fish, because you've gone and left me, I, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You see, without me you cannot do anything. Haven't you heard me say this? Without me you cannot do anything. You're going on your own. Where are you going? Come back. Come back. I'm here waiting. You go out to the world, that is the sea. And where did they go to the world? The sea. They were all night long trying to catch something. The moment you go into the world, you are at night. The world is darkness.